What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How-To. Today we're going to be testing out Bissell SpotClean Pro, and the reason why we're testing this one here out today is number one, to see how well it works, and number two, is it worth the $200 price tag? Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we're going to be testing this unit out on our dining table chairs here. You can tell they're pretty heavily stained. The kids, unfortunately for me, like to have their cereal on the chair and not sit on the chair and eat it at the dining table. So we've got some water stains and also looks like cereal stains all around this chair here. The unit is pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty simple and straightforward. On and off switch. 2 tanks. One side has hot water in it, plus your cleaning chemicals, which are these ones right here. The other side is a return. We've got our little trigger to spray our chemical, some bristles to scrub the area, and a little vacuum as well. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. I'm going to quickly fill up this tank here. There's some little markings on the back, so you fill up the water to the marking, add your chemicals to the mark as well, and that should hopefully do it. So you've got some indicators there on the back. If you've got a small area or a large area, fill up the water to the lines, add your little chemicals, and simply pop that one there back on, and we're ready to go. So before we switch this one here on, whenever you've got a heavily stained area, what you want to do is just pre-treat the area. That simply means spray a bit of the chemical over the top of the stain, let it sit for about 5 minutes, that'll soak in, break it up, and then you should be able to scrub the area and vacuum all that excess material back out. So we're just going to turn this one here on. Now, it would be nice if this one here had a few different buttons to control the vacuum and the spray function separately, but this one here is all in one. Going to switch it on, make a bit of noise, spray the area, let it sit for 5 minutes, scrub it, and then vacuum it. Now this also comes with a whole range of different attachments. You can use the smaller ones or your larger ones, but we're just going to let this one here sit for a little bit, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So now we can scrub the area. Now switch it on and vacuum it all up. So I've just finished vacuuming everything out of this chair. It's looking pretty good so far. However, there is one more section right here where I can still see the stain. So what I'm going to do is repeat the process just on this area right here, and hopefully that'll remove it. Alright guys, so we've just finished a second application and that's looking much better. What I'm going to do now is just leave this one here outside. I might actually move it into a sunny area, let it dry up, and I'll see you guys in a bit and show you the finished result. So the chair should now be nice and dry. That's looking much better. I'll quickly take it out of the sun so you guys can have a good look. So now we've got the chair out of the sunlight. We're going to compare our before footage, which is this, with our finished result, and as you can tell, that is looking much better, nice and clean, especially because we only spent about 5 minutes cleaning it. If I did want to clean it even more than what I've already got here, simply repeat the process. It was nice and simple, very straightforward and simple to use this product right here. Is it worth the $200? That's entirely up to you. For me, I'm sure I'm going to get plenty more use out of it, and after a few months I'm more than likely going to be cleaning these chairs again. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, you've learned something new. As always guys, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.